Hey y'all, it's Leah and Jessica. We made it to Hendersonville, North Carolina, where we are visiting Leah's family and spending some good quality time with them and doing some adventuring while we're here. It's been a blast.
No. Alright, so I am helping my mom dog sit this one family who's out of town. And they have a really steep gravel, sketchy driveway. So I decided not to drive the van on it. So I'm gonna run up it. And I'll take you guys with me. We have this pretty sketchy bridge here, and I wasn't sure about driving the van across it. But I'll run across it. It's so pretty here though. That sucked. That's so steep.
Rawr.
Yeah, we did.
So, our shoe rack that we hung on the back of the van has totally ripped through and isn't working. Because it's like 80 years old. I think it was like my grandma's shoe rack. So we bought this one at Walmart and we're going to install it. It's like way too long though, so we cut it and we're gonna use that, and if that ever rips through, we have another one.
That is the old one that ripped through because the weight was too much.
And this is the new one. It's gonna look so nice. Today we're also going to be working on making window covers for the back windows because our curtains are falling apart and the Velcro is not working at all. So we got this Reflectix, right? Reflectix. And we bought some fabric, and we're going to use some of our curtain fabric as well to make some nice window covers. All Leah's plan.
Boom. Now I finished with the shoe rack, so I'm gonna start on the window covers. Kinda know what I'm doing, but kinda just winging it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I measured, and now I'm gonna take this cardboard and I'm gonna outline it and measure it to what the size of the window is. So I cut this to 2 feet by 2 feet, but the tough part here is trying to get it to this curvy part, cutting it like that. So we'll see what I decide to do for that. I'm not sure yet. Okay, this is my solution. If you're an actual, what is it called? I don't know, if you do this for professional, please don't judge me. I'm just trying. Okay, so I have my paper. And I'm gonna put it here. I'm just gonna outline. We'll see if it works. Okay, so I'm lining them up, and I've measured so that they're like 4 inches and just under half an inch, and my window is exactly 2 feet wide, but that's only for like the ProMaster. Some other vans are different, obviously, but it's like about half an inch in between each of these so that it can roll up like this when we're done. not good.
So as you can see, or not see, it's dark out. And there's the window covers. They were great. Oh, yay. And then we go inside, and it's bright in here.
So weird. Thanks for joining us this week. We'll see you next week for more adventures.